Violet, look at this. Santa came. I think he brought this for you. Yeah, I think it's for you. Come get it. Yay! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Look! Look, there's things inside. Oh, but I just want to look at these things. Hey, Violet. Oh, Ella. Look at this one's for you. And the moose. It's inside.